Can a chef who enjoys the art of flavor also enjoy the art of fitness, or are bulging bellies and the best food inextricably linked? Let's explore this age-old question: can you truly trust a skinny chef? We are breaking down the flawed perception that a chef's size directly reflects their culinary expertise, because let's be honest, it's a pretty silly idea. Myth number 1 is that skinny chefs don't taste their food. The truth is, professional chefs taste everything. It's crucial for adjusting seasonings, ensuring proper doneness, and maintaining quality control. Regardless of their waistline, the amount they taste is negligible. Myth number 2: a larger build equals more experience. Skill and experience are cultivated through years of practice, training, and a genuine passion for food, not by how much one eats. Dexterity and knowledge is what sets apart great chefs. What truly matters is chefs' dedication to their craft, their understanding of flavor profiles, and their ability to create delicious, memorable dishes. Food is for everyone, regardless of body type or size. So, the next time you are judging a chef, focus on the food and let your taste buds be the ultimate judge. After all, a delicious meal is the only real proof of skill.